If you could sell just one product a day that averages you $300 to $900 a day, how different would your life be? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 high-ticket digital product ideas that you can do to start making money online. And I'm going to share with you the one that has been an absolute game changer for me that averages me $328,000 a year. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Victoria. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 little boys. I'm an army wife, and I spent years looking for the best way to make money online. If you are new over here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe because I teach you all the ways to make money online from your cell phone. Not too long ago, I was completely broke. We were living paycheck to paycheck off of my husband's army income. I had an online boutique that failed, and I had tried everything to try to make an income from home so that I didn't have to lose that time with my kids. But when I found high-ticket digital products, everything changed. And when I leaned into marketing done-for-you digital programs, that's when I saw my income skyrocket. So let's start with the one that changed my life, done-for-you digital programs. Personally, this is my #1 recommendation because unlike other digital products, you don't have to spend months creating content or filming for courses or hiring out a team because the program is already created for you. Your job is simply to market it, and that means that you can start earning immediately, even with no tech experience and no experience at all. This was the first real online business that actually worked for me. In fact, within less than 2 years of doing this, I had built a business that generated me almost $600,000 from my cell phone. I was able to pay off my car, I was able to build us a house in a private gated golf community, and I was able to pay off that house within 8 months. And out of all of that income, it all came from marketing one single program that I never needed to create. And the best part is I only work about 2 hours a day from my cell phone. The second high ticket product that you can do is coaching. And I actually do this one too. Coaching is powerful because people will actually spend thousands of dollars to pay for somebody's knowledge on a subject or a skill. Now, this one's amazing if you have that teacher mentality and you want to build your own personal brand. But here's the catch, guys. You need to spend time on calls, and that time can eat into your time freedom. So personally, I love the 2-hour workday so much more because it takes so much less time. I do coaching on the side just because it's something that I'm really passionate about. And if you have something that you're passionate about, that is also a huge opportunity for you as well. The third high ticket product is creating your own online course, if that's something that you're into. Now, these are incredible because once you build your course, you can sell it over and over without doing all that extra work that you did when you were first making it. Think about all the things that people take courses for. The demand is massive. Marketing, technology, fitness, cooking, coding, the demand goes on. The downfall to this, building a course takes so much time, and many people end up quitting before they ever even launch. That's why I personally love the done for you option because I don't need to create anything. But what's really cool is inside of my program, you can learn how to make your own course if that's something that you want to do. Personally, I just never wanted to spend months creating my own course from scratch. Another high ticket product is digital memberships or masterminds. These usually charge a monthly or a yearly fee. And when you market these, you can start to build reoccurring income. Or some people do this as a community, like inside of the school community or any other platform. Imagine if you had just 50 people even paying $200 a month for your digital mastermind. That's $10,000 every single month that is going to come to you on autopilot. It's a very scalable model, but the downside, retention. You have to constantly keep members engaged so that they don't cancel. But the truth is that a lot of them will, and so you need to keep finding more people to get into your membership or program. And number 5, software and automation tools. This one is really interesting because software solves problems that people are desperate to fix. So many people will gladly pay $100 or $200 or more every single month for a great tool. You don't need to build the software yourself. You can partner with companies that already have it and earn commission. It's a smart, passive model. So those are the 5 powerful digital products that are high ticket and in demand that I would recommend. But let me circle back to that first one, because if you are anything like me, you don't want to spend months building a program or creating a course or learning to code software. Marketing a done-for-you digital program gave me everything that I was looking for: freedom, time with my kids, and that financial stability. And honestly, that's why I still call it the #1 digital product. And it's why Forbes has even predicted this to be a trillion-dollar industry by 2027. When I started, I had no tech experience, no background, and definitely no idea how to start attracting customers to me or marketing online. But since the system is broken down step by step and tells you do this on day 1, this on day 2, this on day 3, it makes it so simple. So you are able to earn and learn at the same time and scale your business. And now I've built a business that has not only changed our financial situation, but it has also given me the freedom to work on my own terms. I averaged $328,000 in one single year as a stay-at-home mom. I know that if I can do that, anyone can do that. So here's my question for you. Which of these 5 products excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know more about the done-for-you digital program that I recommend, comment info below or go to the link in my description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about done-for-you digital products. I'll see you soon. Bye.